Hi everyone, welcome to some Thai cooking. You know what, today I'm so excited to tell you guys I'm gonna cook Thai dessert. It's khao niao ma muang. Its English is sticky rice with mango. It's so sweet and very beautiful, easy to cook. My recipe I'm gonna use microwave because a lot of people they not have this basket. Because this basket, the Asian people know this because it's cooked for sticky rice. And some people didn't have this basket. We're gonna cook in microwave sticky rice, and then we can have the sauce, put on the mango and the rice. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. This recipe not complication, it's very easy. You guys can make it at home. Have a look. The first thing, we want sticky rice. And this one 2 cups. It's 2 cups for sticky rice. Very hot water. Soak rice for 10 minutes, and then we're gonna cook in microwave. It should be really hot because the sticky rice they're different with jasmine rice. We soak it for 10 minutes, and then the sticky from the sticky rice gonna come out. We're gonna wash it. Now for 10 minutes we can make the sauce. Our ingredients just have mango, sauce, sugar, and coconut cream. I prefer you use coconut cream because quite thick. When we mix with the rice, not gonna be like runny. It's more nice taste, more stronger and fresh. The heat is not too high, quite a bit low on. I use until the bubble quite thick, and we add the sauce and sugar in. And now coconut milk start to cook. We're gonna add sugar in. I use 1 tablespoon and half of teaspoon. To taste what you like. You like salt more salty, or you like more sweet, and you keep taste what the perfectly you like. Normally the sticky rice with mango we make quite sweet because it's a dessert. I'm gonna try taste a little bit and see what's the taste like. You can smell the coconut cream. It's beautiful. Can't wait to eat with the mango. And now our cream is finished. At 10 minutes already, I'm gonna take the water out and we put in the container. And we make the sticky rice from the hot water gone. Wash 2 times. And then I'm gonna add the water in. Gonna be 2 cups. And then I'm gonna wrap with the clear wrap. And then we're gonna start with 3 minutes first. And now we start with 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we have to mix together. I cover with the clear wrap and we add for 1 minute, and that's it. After I add for 1 minute already, now our rice is done quite perfectly. And then we just put the sauce in. See that? Our coconut cream in. You mix first. We stick it like this in the bowl. How many you want? Whatever you want to eat, you just add it in. Eat this sticky rice without the coconut cream. Eat with any meal you like. Then we're gonna cut our mango. Our dessert is finished. I'm gonna try what you like and hope you guys can make it at home. If you like my video, please subscribe and see you next clip. Very easy, not much ingredient. You guys can make it at home. I really want you guys can cook it at home. So easy. And now, it smells so beautiful. I can't wait to eat it and see what it tastes like. With little bit with coconut and mango. I'm gonna get a quite big piece. So delicious, sweet like honey. Smell the coconut, smell the mango. They're absolutely beautiful. You have to make it at home because it's not hard at all. Do not have basket to cook sticky rice. You use microwave. I'm gonna write exactly amount what I use below on my channel, and you guys can follow it. Thank you for watching. Bye.